Alrighty, Madelyn, here's your 347 small block 4 description combination. Got set up our gas stands on it. Got the brand hydraulic roller. First oil pan. Little rock manifold. We got our carb distributor on it. And valve covers. When we make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 416 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 437, peaks horsepower 436, rated 425, so it's really good. Pull the pipes back, make sure everything is good and clean. You see your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend look at all that stuff. Have a great day.